From concept to reality, jaw-dropping engineering. Success stories. Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into a world where imagination meets reality. In this video, we're going to explore 10 jaw-dropping engineering success stories that have not only pushed the boundaries of what's possible, but have also reshaped our world. From bridges that span vast waters to innovative solutions for sustainable living, these feats of engineering are a testament to human creativity and perseverance. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to be inspired by these incredible tales of engineering triumphs that have turned daring concepts into awe-inspiring realities. Engineering is not just about calculations and drawings. It's about turning the seemingly impossible into awe-inspiring reality. Here, we celebrate incredible engineering feats that have left an indelible mark on our world. The Burj Khalifa, touching the sky. In the heart of Dubai stands the Burj Khalifa, a marvel of modern engineering and the tallest building in the world. Completed in 2010, this skyscraper reaches a staggering 828 meters. The engineering behind the Burj Khalifa is as impressive as its height, involving cutting-edge wind engineering, structural steel, and a unique Y-shaped base for stability. It's a testament to human ingenuity, ambition, and the desire to reach the stars. The Channel Tunnel, linking continents. The Channel Tunnel, affectionately known as the Channel, is a 50.45-kilometer marvel, connecting the United Kingdom and France. Completed in 1994, it is one of the biggest engineering projects in Europe. The tunnel, which required the excavation of 75 million cubic meters of earth, stands as a symbol of connectivity and human cooperation. The International Space Station, a home in the cosmos. Orbiting Earth is the International Space Station, ISS, a beacon of scientific advancement and international collaboration. The ISS, which began assembly in 1998, is the largest human-made structure in space. Its construction involved intricate engineering and coordination between multiple nations, demonstrating the boundless potential of united human efforts in the pursuit of knowledge and exploration. The Golden Gate Bridge, an icon of resilience. San Francisco's Golden Gate Bridge, completed in 1937, is more than just a suspension bridge. It's an icon of resilience and beauty. Its distinctive Art Deco style and international orange color make it a marvel. The engineering behind the 2,737-meter-long bridge included overcoming harsh winds, fog, and strong ocean currents, setting a new standard in bridge engineering. The Palm Islands, engineering new landscapes. Dubai's Palm Islands are a trio of artificial islands in the shape of palm trees. These islands, created by land reclamation, stretched engineering capabilities to new horizons. The project involved strategically placing over 7 billion tons of rock and sand, creating not just land, but a new ecosystem. The Palm Islands are a bold statement in humans' ability to shape their environment. The Large Hadron Collider, unraveling the mysteries of the universe. Deep beneath the border of France and Switzerland lies the Large Hadron Collider, LHC, the world's largest and most powerful particle accelerator. Operated by CERN, it's a circular tunnel 27 kilometers in circumference. The LHC, which started operations in 2008, represents an extraordinary feat in engineering and physics, pushing the boundaries of human understanding of the universe. The Three Gorges Dam, harnessing the power of water. China's Three Gorges Dam is the world's largest power station by installed capacity. Completed in 2012, this hydroelectric dam spans the Yangtze River and serves multiple purposes, including flood control, power generation, and navigation improvement. The dam's construction involved relocating communities and altering the landscape, showcasing the scale at which engineering can operate. The Hubble Space Telescope, eyes on the universe. Since its launch in 1990, the Hubble Space Telescope has been humanity's eye into the depths of space. Orbiting Earth, Hubble has provided some of the most detailed images of distant galaxies, nebulae, and stars. Its engineering and subsequent maintenance missions have pushed the limits of space technology, continuously expanding our understanding of the universe. The Akashi Kaikyo Bridge, spanning the inland sea. Japan's Akashi Kaikyo Bridge, completed in 1998, is the world's longest suspension bridge, with a span of 1,291 meters. Its construction involved battling severe weather conditions and deep waters. The bridge stands as a symbol of resilience and is a masterpiece of earthquake engineering, designed to withstand severe natural forces. The Gotthard Base Tunnel, a journey through the Alps. Switzerland's Gotthard Base Tunnel, opened in 2016, is the world's longest and deepest railway tunnel. Carving a 57-kilometer path through the Swiss Alps, the tunnel is a feat of modern drilling and engineering. It significantly reduces travel time across Europe and stands as a symbol of innovation and perseverance in engineering. Hyperloop, redefining speed and efficiency. One of the most audacious and forward-thinking engineering projects in recent times is the development of the Hyperloop. This proposed mode of transportation would see passenger pods traveling through low-pressure tubes at speeds exceeding 1,000 kilometers per hour. The idea, brought into the mainstream by Elon Musk, is rapidly turning from science fiction into reality, with several companies and countries investing in its development. The engineering challenges, including creating vacuum tubes and ensuring passenger safety at high speeds, are immense, but the potential to revolutionize travel is even greater. Solar Impulse 2, the power of the sun in flight. In the realm of sustainable engineering, the Solar Impulse 2 stands out. This solar-powered aircraft completed a circumnavigation of the Earth in 2016 without using a single drop of fuel. The project, led by Bertrand Piccard and André Borschberg, demonstrated the potential of renewable energy in aviation. The aircraft's design, with a wingspan wider than a Boeing 747 and covered in over 17,000 solar cells, is a marvel of lightweight materials and energy-efficient technologies. Millau Viaduct, bridging the valley in grandeur. France's Millau Viaduct, completed in 2004, is an extraordinary example of modern bridge engineering. Towering 343 meters above the Tarn River Valley, it is the tallest bridge in the world. Designed by the English architect Norman Foster and French structural engineer Michel Verlojeux, the bridge seamlessly combines elegance and functionality. Its slender pylons and sleek design not only solved the problem of crossing the challenging terrain, but also did so with an architectural grace that has made it a symbol of French innovation. Shanghai Maglev, magnetic levitation in motion. The Shanghai Maglev train, operational since 2004, remains one of the fastest trains in the world, with commercial speeds of 431 km/h. This train employs magnetic levitation technology, allowing it to float above the tracks and reduce friction, leading to higher speeds and a smoother ride. The engineering behind this technology marks a significant leap in transportation, offering a glimpse into the future of high-speed rail travel. JWST, a new window to the cosmos. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, set to be the premier observatory of the next decade, is a testament to engineering and scientific collaboration. As the successor to the Hubble Space Telescope, JWST will provide unprecedented resolution and sensitivity, allowing a comprehensive view of the universe. The engineering of the JWST, including its massive deployable mirror and advanced instruments, aims to answer fundamental questions about the universe and our place in it. Kansai International Airport, an engineering marvel on the sea. Kansai International Airport in Japan, built on an artificial island in Osaka Bay, is a marvel of civil engineering. Opened in 1994 and designed by architect Renzo Piano, the airport was an innovative solution to Japan's shortage of land for expanding infrastructure. The construction of the airport was a colossal undertaking involving the moving of 21 million cubic meters of earth and the construction of a 3.5-kilometer-long bridge connecting it to the mainland. Zhuhai Hong Kong-Macau Bridge, an engineering colossus. Spanning the waters of the Pearl River Delta is the Zhuhai Hong Kong-Macau Bridge, a monumental feat of engineering that connects 3 major cities in China. Opened in 2018, this 55-kilometer bridge tunnel system includes a series of bridges, artificial islands, and the world's deepest and longest underwater tunnel. The project overcame numerous challenges, such as typhoon risks and navigation safety, demonstrating a new level of engineering expertise in large-scale infrastructure projects. The Tesla Gigafactory, revolutionizing energy storage. The Tesla Gigafactory, located in Nevada, is not just a factory. It's a pivotal element in Tesla's mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. The Gigafactory, which began production in 2016, aims to significantly reduce battery cell costs and produce more lithium-ion batteries annually than were produced worldwide in 2013. The engineering behind this massive facility involves advanced manufacturing processes and automation, setting a new standard for sustainable production. Cheklapkok Airport, an aerotropolis reclaimed from the sea. Hong Kong's Cheklapkok Airport, opened in 1998, is an extraordinary example of how engineering can overcome geographical limitations. Built on a largely artificial island, the airport involved one of the largest land reclamation projects ever undertaken, moving more than 300 million cubic meters of material. The airport's construction was not only an engineering triumph, but also a logistical marvel, ensuring minimal disruption to one of the world's busiest shipping lanes. The Falkirk Wheel, a rotating boat. Lift. In Scotland, the Falkirk Wheel stands as a unique piece of engineering, the world's first and only rotating boat lift. Opened in 2002, this remarkable structure reconnects the Forth and Clyde Canal with the Union Canal, replacing a series of old locks. The wheel raises boats by 24 meters, but its innovative design is as much an artistic masterpiece as it is an engineering solution, symbolizing the renaissance of the British waterways. Adelaide Desalination Plant, pioneering sustainable water solutions. The Adelaide Desalination Plant in Australia, operational since 2013, represents a significant achievement in the field of sustainable water management. The plant provides a drought-proof source of water to Adelaide, using reverse osmosis technology to convert seawater into fresh drinking water. The engineering behind this project not only addresses the challenge of water scarcity, but does so with a focus on environmental sustainability, including energy efficiency and marine life protection. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey through some of the most incredible engineering achievements of our time. These 10 stories are more than just feats of construction and innovation. They're vivid reminders of what humanity can accomplish with vision, determination, and collaboration. As we continue to push the limits of technology and creativity, let's take inspiration from these examples and dream even bigger. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content that celebrates human ingenuity. Until next time, keep marveling at the wonders of engineering and the endless possibilities that lie ahead.